Leanne Payne, Terran your Rangers, Imalia Clea.
Leanne was always a very quiet child. My dad always bring her to all the matches. Leanne was the son my father always wanted, because none of the boys was into football.
To be quite honest, there wasn't much for us. There was very little clubs, there was very little football for us to join when we were younger. So we'd go out to the side lane or out the back.
At age 10, my nana put me into a boys' team. They literally looked down on you. If you were getting your game ahead of them, they were like, why is she getting her game ahead of me because she's a girl? Some of the fellas now I say hey to in the street and they still are like, oh, you are better than me, you're still playing. I have 5 sisters, 2 brothers.
We do everything together, go on holidays, spend Christmas, Easter.
And we're still all best friends. And you wouldn't change it for the world.
Dos Leanne Anise is Shroid on Fiersig, Igrilor Valia Clea.
We were exposed to everything, all the bad things, because around inner city.
You could turn around and go to drugs, or you could go and play football, and I picked the right path to go.
Hig Leanne Galua, Godurhacha a skillin soccer, Jeshina Iantachaji.
A college came into my school and was like, look, there's a football course here, will you do it for the year? And it was probably the best year of my life.
I didn't know much about it, so I was just like, oh, that's great. But then when I heard she was going to America, it broke my heart.
They sent you to America to play a week of a tournament and you get offered a scholarship. Going straight from inner city Dublin to the countryside of Wyoming was a whole different life experience. I spent a year over there. I basically messed up over there. I was in a relationship with a girl and she broke up with me and I hit depression bad. My mum was like, just come home, just come home. I wasted all my money, I threw it all away. Back then I was 17, I didn't know what to do.
It was very hard for me because me and Leanne shared a room. It was morning, noon, night.
I stayed in bed all day, I didn't eat, I didn't drink, everything was my fault. And I was in this relationship that I thought was the best thing in the world, but in the end it wasn't. My mum came up to me and was like, look, can I bring you for help? And I was like, no, I don't want help.
We as a family got her back on track.
The doctor told me, signed me into a psychiatrist, and when I went there, it was the best thing I've ever done. It has got me to where I am right now.
Dígar Niag, Honig Leanne Rasher Shanlane.
It was a while before we started to see it, but 100% it was Leanne coming back to herself.
Got big into the football again, and that was our main focus, to keep our head busy.
Leanne's very much more open now. Years ago she wasn't. She wouldn't speak to anybody.
The underdogs is after bringing a lot into Leanne's life.
When she explained to me what it was, I was like, Leanne, that's amazing. It's a really, really good idea that you should push yourself for this.
They were like, come on, try it. And I was like, right, I'll go up. I won't make it. And that's always in the back of my head. I've never had doubt in myself to believe, all right, I'm a good player at this. I'll always keep putting myself down.
She doesn't see what she's good in anything, to be quite honest. She needs to look at herself a little bit better. Very, very proud of her. She's done some change in her life, like she's really changed herself.
I'm literally in it to be on that final squad and I'm gonna have to break sweat and tears to get there and I can't keep having that doubt on myself. But I just need to prove it.
Underdogs, a go forward le Airgrid.